morning, guys. I just finished getting ready and I'm gonna meet my best friend at this new cafe that I'm trying, or we're trying, and I've been having it on my list for a while because it looks so like aesthetic and pretty, and I feel like it's just kind of my vibe, so I've been wanting to try it. And even like the reviews are like, they were like, oh, I just found like my new favorite coffee shop. Like there was like so many good reviews, so I was like, the coffee has to be good too. So I want to try that. And then I also been wanting to go to the South Congress Hotel because they have a photo booth there. And if you guys don't know, I love photo booths. I love taking pictures with them. So yeah, we're gonna go do that probably after the coffee. But it's been a while since I vlogged because I just realized I have like my frames up and stuff because I think the last time I didn't have anything up. So I kind of just been getting more comfortable in my house and started to make it more like personalized, like myself, my own room. But yeah, I guess I could show you guys around so you get a little update. This is what I'm wearing for today, but I just put up this frame as well in this like little corner with all my perfumes. And then over here, put these frames for the bathroom. I actually took these pictures in Mexico off of my film camera, and I made like some type of collage in there. And then I didn't really put anything else up, but I did put up my, like, I don't know what this is called, like a pin board, and then my calendar I've been needing to put up. So like this corner is more like settled than the rest of my room. But I do plan on getting like a headboard, maybe doing something up there. And then this corner is kind of just empty, so I might be doing something there, but I'm not really sure what. Okay, I'm taking this bag today with me, and there's nothing in it because I don't really use this bag every day. But I am taking like my keys, I got my headphones, wallet. I just got my birthday gift from Sephora, and I got the Summer Fridays lip balm, my digital camera, and then I got these phone cases from Pila. And I need to take like a video for them, so I'm going to take it to the cafe and get some footage there. So what the bag looks like with the outfit. So me and Sarah went to the cafe, and I didn't really record in there because it was like kind of small and there was a lot of people, so I just took some clips for you guys. But I'm almost done with my coffee, but we both tried it, we really liked it. But I'll take a sip for you guys. It's all gone. Yeah, it's still good. Usually when it gets like to the very bottom and it's like starting to get watery, it's not as good, but still good, still has that good flavor. But I just parked and I'm gonna meet her now at the South Congress Hotel because that's where they have the photo booth. I think I'm parked like right behind the hotel, but it's just like a little like walk around to get it to it. So I think she already parked, so I think we should go now. We're walking there right now because she said she's on her way too. So now I just gotta walk to the hotel, and this neighborhood is so cute and quiet. Okay, I made it to Congress, and I actually don't know where it's at. I just know it's like somewhere on this side of the street, so we'll find it together. Never mind, I know where it's at because I see Sarai right there. Ooh, it's kind of pretty in here. Okay, we found it. Oh, they came out so cute. So I've been home and I made a late lunch and I just ate that, but I had half a donut from the Salty, which is where we went to go after we went to the photo booth, I think. I just didn't finish it because it was really sweet, so I am now maybe gonna take just like a few bites out of it and then eat it for the rest for the morning. But it's pretty good. It's like it was like a berry cheesecake, and in the middle it has cheesecake, but for some reason on the bottom it has like this like weird icing and crumbs. Like, I don't know, I guess they're just trying to make it different, but yeah, it's very messy. It was really good. Just the cheese, I think it's just the cheesecake part that's like really, really sweet. Look at this middle part, such a good bite. Oh my god. One part, like I'm not even biting into it. Like it just, every time I get close to it, it like crumbles off and then it like falls apart. So I don't know really what the point of that was. But besides that, so good. I was cleaning a little bit up of my room and I noticed that there were some things I didn't show earlier. So I want to show you guys just like updated like decorating. Especially right now because the sun just came out and the lighting is like really good and bright. So I have my trinket / bookshelf right here, and I added a lot more of my trinkets on there. I'll just give you guys like a little close up, and they're all just random. And then I added that frame that was right here. I put that up, and so that's this corner of my room. And I usually have been putting like my purse and my work bag here and my tripod for when I film things for TikTok. And then, oh yes, this corner over here, I just recently added, or not added, but I just added like more like little things. I added my Sony Angel that my bestie got me, and it's so cute right here. And I have a diffuser, this candle my friend had got me, and then my Vivienne Westwood necklace. And I've been having these flowers for actually so long. I'm surprised they're still like alive, but they're doing good. Okay, slowly but surely, my room is coming back together and it's clean now. There used to be like random boxes that I would have, but now I officially went through everything. I even like went through some of my stuff in my closet and I like went through everything and organized and stuff. So yeah. And this corner is also set up, my desk area. And for the longest time, I could not find my camera, but when I went through all of my closet stuff, I ended up finding it, putting it there. And then I also have my pin board that I have here, and I added my most recent photo booth picture. And honestly, this is where I keep all of my photos. So yeah. So I have a group chat of all of my mostly siblings and some other people that we have for Fortnite, and we always text on there like whenever we get on, and I got a text that they're on, so that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of my day. Probably maybe make dinner too a little later, and that's pretty much it. I'm actually curious, do any of you guys play Fortnite? I don't play like a lot, but I kind of do. I ever get on whenever like my siblings text me that they're getting on, and that's when I'll get on. But yeah, if you do play Fortnite, I have this skin, and she's been my go-to. And I used to have, I still have Black Cat, and I used to play with her, but this has been my favorite. I have this lawn chair that I keep in my closet and I use as my gaming chair. But yeah, I'm about to play right now.